In this example, I have secant squared x times cosecant squared x equals to secant squared x plus cosecant squared x. So secant squared is 1 over cosine squared x. Cosecant is 1 over sine x. So when we multiply it, it will be cosine squared x times sine squared x. And this one is cosine squared x plus sine squared x divided by cosine squared x times sine squared x. So I decompose it. I have cosine squared x sine squared x plus sine squared x divided by cosine squared x times sine squared x. These two cancel out. It will be 1 over sine squared x plus these two cancel out, 1 over cosine squared x. So 1 over sine is cosecant, 1 over cosine is secant. That's exactly what you see on the right hand side of this equation.